Is this the best flat roofing system on the market? Let's dive into this premium product and find out why it's up there with the very best. So first of all, it is an EPDM roofing system, but it's got all the advantages of having a bituminous backing, which means it can be laid over existing roof surfaces. So this could save thousands on larger roofs. Unlike traditional roofing systems that have an underlay and a cap sheet, this is a single layer system. It's a heat weldable membrane with a EPDM base and a glass fibre liner. So the underside has a self-adhesive polymer modified layer of bitumen, and that's protected by a release film on the back. And this is why it's sometimes referred to as a hybrid roofing system. So it comes in these handy 1 by 10 metre wide rolls, and it's got a non-slip finish, so it's great for walkways and balconies. So it's 2.5mm thick and reinforced. It's extremely tough, extremely durable. There's also no other need for any surface protection. It's completely UV stable. So you can put things on top of it as well if you wanted to. It's completely root resistant as well, so it's great for green roofs. And as the system is reinforced, we would recommend it for larger commercial projects. There's no need for any added mechanical fixings like you get with other single ply systems. As the RESITRIX is bituminous compatible, there's no need to strip old roofs like felt or asphalt. This can go straight over the top. So just to touch on the overlaying, there are two types of RESITRIX that we sell, full bond and partial bond. If you're going down onto a new timber deck or roofs without any moisture, then full bond will need to be used. If you're going to be overlaying old roofs like felt, roofs that will be holding some moisture, then you'll need to use partial bond. We will be doing a specific video on full bond and partial bond, which will be coming soon. As mentioned before, the rolls are heat welded together, so you will need a heat gun, but there isn't any naked flames like more traditional systems. And when you get the bleed outs when you are heat welding the rolls, you only need a simple visual inspection just to make sure that it's all watertight.